Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am doing a double layer backdrop for a 30th birthday. I'm adding on the drapes now. In the middle I have the sequin, and then those are sheer black panels. The red are stretch drapes, and I just added on 4-way stretch in the black. So from my master draping class, I learned to measure, so that's what I'm doing there. I learned how to measure. The first thing I did was find my center, and then you make one side the way that you want it to be, and then you just make sure the other side, the measurements match. Now I'm getting ready to make my valance. I pinned it in the center, and I learned from my master draping class how to properly make a valance as well. So hopefully I'll get to share that with you all in a tutorial in the future. So I'm just securing it. I'm adding my pole covers, and then you're gonna see me put some pins in to help secure it. I'm lifting my pipe and drape up to 8 feet. And there are markings on those poles to let me know when it reaches the 8 feet. So here I am starting to pleat my fabric. For the red, I wanted to use that technique that I learned from my draping class, but I couldn't remember it at that point. So I just kind of gathered the fabric, pleated the fabric, and now you see me just kind of loosening it up to loosen that swag up. So here I am doing it to the other side. But when you see me do the black, you'll see me using that technique. Okay, see, there's the technique that I learned in order to deepen your swags. And you're gonna see me do it again. And I'm securing the drapes with pipe cleaners. So here I am puddling my drapes, folding them under, making sure they look nice and neat. The banner I added off camera because I had already rose the pipe and drape kit up before I put it on. So you want to make sure you put that on before you raise it up. So this is how it turned out. I was very happy with the outcome. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.